students, welcome back to online classes of Upper Public School, Kalburgi. I am Kaveri Kori, your computer teacher for grade 4. Kids, till now we have completed first 6 lessons from your computer subject, right? And the last lesson was editing and selecting text in MS Word 2010. And the last lesson was MS Word 2010. What is MS Word? About introduction of MS Word and basic about MS Word we have learnt in 6th lesson. We'll glance those once again. How to select the text using mouse and using keyboard we have learned. Using keyboard we were having few shortcuts as to copy the text, Ctrl+C, to paste the text, Ctrl+V, to cut the text, Ctrl+X. Such shortcuts we have saw in 6th lesson. Also, how to insert and replace the text means how to type. Inserting the text is nothing but typing the text in MS Word. Okay, how to type, how to insert or how to replace the text we have learned in 6th lesson. Also, how to use undo and redo options and how to delete the text. These basics we have learned in 6th lesson, and today we are going to start lesson number 7, more about MS Word 2010. And the 7th lesson is continued part of lesson number 6. In detail we are going to learn in lesson number 7. And as I said about shortcuts, once again we will see before going to start this lesson. Okay, one more thing I wanted to tell. What is the difference between copy and cut? We have to remember, we have to keep this in our mind forever. Okay, what is the difference between copy and cut? Copying means making duplicate copy of original document, means to create same words. To make duplicate copy we say it as copy option. What is cut? Cut means deleting or moving original document and pasting it to new position. This thing we have to keep in our mind. And now we'll see what are the learning objectives which we are going to learn in 7th lesson. In 7th lesson, introduction we will learn, and we'll see checking of spelling and grammatical mistakes in MS Word. What is grammatical mistakes? What is spelling mistakes? See, while writing we will commit spelling mistakes, or while typing in MS Word we may commit spelling mistakes. How to correct that? Even if we don't know the spelling of some words, we can correct the spelling mistakes. How? We have that option in MS Word that we are going to learn in lesson number 7. Okay, and we are going to learn finding and replacing the text. Finding and replacing the text means what? Searching of same word in a document. Suppose if we have typed, or suppose if we have written same words, repeated words, same words in MS Word, how to find those? How to find those words? We have one find option in MS Word. That how to do, that we are going to learn. And how to replace that. Suppose if I want to change one word to another word whole from the document, how to change that word, that we are going to learn in this lesson. And main thing we are going to learn formatting options. It is very important in MS Word. Formatting options learning is very important throughout your sessions. Okay, because whenever we are going to work with MS Word, or whenever we are dealing with MS Word, the shortcut keys, the formatting options is very important. Again, in formatting options, what are all we are going to learn? In formatting options, changing the font. See children, each of us will be having different font style. I'll write in one way, you guys will write another way. Means styles will be changed of our handwriting. Same way in MS Word, we can change the font styles like Calibri, Vardhana. We are having such font style. We can change the font styles. How to change? We are going to learn. And changing the font size, making bigger or smaller size of letters, increasing or decreasing the font size. We are going to learn this. And changing the font color, changing the font color from red to green, green to black, black to white. Those all changing of font colors we are going to learn. And highlighting of text. Highlighting of text means headings, subheadings, underlinings. Okay, highlighting the text and making bold, italic, underline the words. These all things we are going to learn. And changing the text case and text alignment. For text case and text alignment, we are also having shortcut keys like similar like Control C, Control V, Control X. Like that, for these also we are having shortcut keys. What is changing of text case? What is changing of text alignment? That I will explain further. Okay. Before going to start the lesson, please take out your textbook and you must take your classwork, because I am going to tell shortcut keys from 6th lesson. Please write down in your classwork. It will be very useful to you guys. Okay, we'll begin. See children, before going to start the lesson, we'll see few shortcuts from lesson number 6, because these are very important throughout your sessions. Whenever you will be working with the MS Word, you have to use these shortcuts. So for that, we'll see this. First, we'll see copy the text. To copy the text, we are having shortcut key Control plus C. Control plus C means we should not use 3 keys. Control key, plus key and C key. Control plus C means Control key as well as C alphabet key. Both the keys at a time you have to press. Now to move the text, Control plus X. Now to paste the text, Control plus V. Now we'll see undo an action, Control plus Z. To redo an action, Control plus Y. See, please open your classwork and copy these all, because these are very important. Okay. What is the difference between copy and cut or copy and move? Copying means making a duplicate copy of original word or original text. What is cut? Cut means deleting or erasing the original text and pasting that document in new position. Okay. Now what is undo and redo? When we use undo is an option. When we want to erase the last action, we use undo. Okay, last performance if you want to delete, we use undo option. What is redo? To erase the undo action, we use redo option. See children, if I say like this orally, you will not understand. Those who are having PCs at your home, please practice this. Then only you can enjoy and you can learn easily. Okay, and now we'll start lesson number 7. Please open page number 72. We'll delete this first using delete key. Select like this. Okay, right. See children, first thing, checking of spelling and grammatical mistakes in MS Word. What is checking of spelling and grammatical mistakes? See, suppose if you have done any mistakes while typing or while writing in MS Word, if you have done any grammatical mistakes or any spelling mistakes, we can correct them. If we know the spelling or if you don't know the spelling of that word, we can correct in MS Word. How? First we'll write one sentence. Sometimes there are, purposefully I will write typing spelling wrong. Okay, can you observe this here? I have written typing word spelling wrong. What has happened? The typing word has been underlined with red wavy lines. Are you understanding? Are you observing here? Right. If you have done any spelling mistakes, then the words will be underlined with red wavy lines. Please keep in mind. And if you have done any grammatical mistakes while writing singular or plural form, if you have done any mistakes, then the words will be underlined with green wavy lines. Now we are having three options to correct. Either we can correct the word or else we can ignore this single word or else we can ignore all such wrong words in the document. What is ignoring? Ignoring means let it be like this only, but I don't want this underline, red underline. For that we call ignoring. And how to see that? You have to do right one click on this, on the word. Now what you have to do, right click like this. See, we can observe here typing correct word, ignore all, or else we can add this wrong word to dictionary. Now what I will do, I will correct this. I will select correct spelling here like this. Understood? This is correcting grammatical or spelling mistakes in MS Word. Now we'll move next. We'll delete this first. Now we'll move to thesaurus option in MS Word. What is thesaurus? Thesaurus gives a list of words that have similar meanings as synonyms or opposite meanings as antonyms. What is thesaurus? It is a list of words have similar meanings or opposite meanings. MS Word has an inbuilt thesaurus to suggest synonyms and antonyms for the selected word. Means what? Thesaurus means it is like dictionary in MS Word. If we want to find same meanings of that word, particular words, or opposite meaning of that word, we can search. We will get result in many number. For that we have option as thesaurus. Okay, how to find? I will write one word, smart. I have written one word, smart. I know you guys are very smart, but I want to find similar or same meaning for this word in MS Word. How to search? What you have to do, select like this. Go to review here. Here top left side corner, thesaurus open book symbol we are having in proofing group. Click on this thesaurus. See, for smart word we got these many results. Right side corner, can you observe this? For smart word we have got keen, clever, canny, insolent, rude, clever, elegant, neat, similar meanings we have got like this. Okay, another word we will use, can we search? Opposite. I want to search the similar meanings for opposite. I will take like this. What I will do, I will paste like this. Wait. opposite. What I will do? I will search. See, for opposite meaning I have got these many number of results: conflicting, differing, reverse, contrary, opposed. Okay, these are all similar synonyms and antonyms for opposite word. This is the way to find similar word, list of words of any words or text in MS Word. We'll move next. Now, how to find and how to replace the text. What is how to find, finding and replacing the text? Finding the text means finding out of same words which are repeated in a document. For that, what we have to do? First, we have to write any one or two sentence. I will write this thesaurus sentence. I will write a thesaurus gives a list of words that have similar meanings or opposite meanings. Next line. MS Word has an inbuilt thesaurus to suggest synonyms or antonyms for the selected word. Okay, these two sentences I have written. Now I want to find the word thesaurus. How many times this word has been repeated? I want to search. How to search? What you have to do? Go here in editing group, top right side corner in editing group. Go to find option here. Okay, to find option here, direct shortcut key we are having as Ctrl+F. Click on this like this. We will get like this, and we can search here. Right? The thesaurus. Observe here. Observing. Yes. The thesaurus word, how many times that has been repeated? How to find? Like this. Go to editing group. Go to find. And the navigation box will come here like this. In search box, type the word which you want to find and observe like this here. This word has been repeated 3 times. That has been shown or mentioned with yellow color. Okay, this is the way to find the text in MS Word. We'll move next. Now I want to replace the word with a new word or another word. I said thesaurus is similar like dictionary or list of words, and the thesaurus has been repeated 3 times. I want to change that word to list of word. Okay, or else what I have written here similar. I want to change this word as same meanings. How to change? How to change? Same again. Go to editing group. Second option, replace. For replace, we are having shortcut key as Ctrl+H. Click on this. Now, what you have to do? Find what? I want to find similar word. Yes or no? I want to find that word and I want to modify that word as same. First, what I have to do? Find next. Where is that word? I want to see. Where is that word? Here. Can you observe this here? Something that has been selected with black colored image. Okay. We got this word. Now I want to replace this word with same. Please observe this here. Replace all or else click on replace. Okay, change here. Observe. This is the way to replace the text in MS Word. And children, by this we'll end up this session, and in next session we'll learn about formatting options. And what are all the things we have learnt in this class? Shortcut keys and the thesaurus option, checking grammatical and spelling mistakes and how to correct that, and finding the text and selecting the text, and shortcut keys for that. Okay, and please practice at your home, cooperate with us. If you're not understood, please repeat the video and watch again. If you're not understand, please feel free to ask me. We'll see in next session. Thank you. Good day.